Hello, my fellow viewers. This is Prof. One Tutorials. You are all welcome back to this amazing platform. This is the second part of today's video. We started the BECE 2026 in my previous video, starting with the question 1, and today we want to look at the question 2. I want to thank you so much for always having an amazing time with me on this platform. Now let's look at the question 2 of BECE 2026. All right, so this is the second question of BECE 2026. Question 2a. The image of P25 when translated by a vector R is -3, 8. Find I. R. I, the image of Q prime of Q, -4, -6 when translated by R. So we are going to start right away. Now, when a question like this is given, we are going to deal with translation, which is under transformation. So, solution. Under translation, anytime an image is given a vector, and then we have another point, then always the point given plus the vector will give you an image. So always, I normally say that anytime you are dealing with translation, it is just like snapping a picture. So we have the point being the human being or the object, then the vector is going to be the phone you are going to use or the camera. Then after they come together, you get an image which becomes the picture. So from here, the point plus the vector give you the image. So the human being, in addition to the camera, then we are going to get the picture or the image of that object. Quickly, from the question said the image of, so now this is the point, being 25. But because of the vector, we are going to write the point in a vector form. So the 25 will be written in a vertical form like this. Then the vector is the R. So my R will be here. Then this is going to be the image because the question said the image of this point is this. So the image is the -3, 8. Now at this point, we are only going to make R the subject. So now R is equal to this particular image. -3, 8. Then this moves to the other side of the equal to sign. We are getting -25. So from here, we are just going to evaluate. So we have -3 -2, which gives us -5. Then 8 -5, we are getting +3. And this was the A part of the question. I is saying that the image of Q prime, we should find the image of Q prime of this point when translated by this vector. So from the I, they have given us the point, and we are going to use the vector, which is the R, for us to get the image of Q prime. So we are going to make direct substitution. Now the point is the -4, -6. And we are going to use the vector we have from R. And what did we get from here? It was -5, 3. and it will give us the image, and the image was represented by K prime. So here we are just going to evaluate. -4 plus -5. What do we think we are going to get? So we have -9. Good. Then -6 plus 3, we'll be getting -3, still equal to K prime. So here, my K prime, bracket open, -9, -3 will be the final answer. For question 2a, please here do not cancel out because this is not a fraction. We have written it in a vector form, so we don't cancel out the negative. Now let's look at the B part of question 2. Question 2b, and I read, Joyce and Richard contributed 10,000 Ghana cedis and 5,000 Ghana cedis respectively to start a business. They agreed that Richard will be paid 1/3 of the profit as a manager and the rest of the profit will be shared in the ratio of their contribution. If the profit of 9,000 Ghana cedis was made, how much did Joyce received, and Richard received in total? All right. So now Joy's contribution was 10,000, Richard contribution was 5,000 because the question was 10,000, 5,000 respectively. All right. Now let's proceed. They agreed that Richard be paid 1/3 of the profit as a manager. And here the profit was 9,000. So now we need to get manager's share. So the manager's share is going to be 1/3 of the profit. And from here, we are going to do some small cancellation. So 3 goes here 1, 3 goes into 9 how many times? 3 times. So we are going to get 3,000 Ghana cedis as manager's share. Now we are moving on. The question continued by saying that the rest of the profit, it means that the total profit was 9,000. Already 3,000 had been used. So we need to get the remaining amount. So now the remaining profit is going to be the total profit, which was the 9,000. Minus the 3,000 Ghana cedis, which has been used for the manager. And from here, when you take the difference, 9,000 minus 3,000, what do you think we are going to get? So we have 6,000. All right. Now this profit here is now going to be shared in the ratio of their contribution. So we are going to share among Joyce and Richard. Now, Joyce contributed 10,000. And Richard also contributed 5,000. And from here, we need to break it down. because ratio is always written in the simplest form. So from here, I'll first of all cancel the 3 zeros. Then we could see that we have 10 here, we have 5 here, but 5 goes into a sub 1 and it will go into 10 how many times? 2 times. 2 is to 1. So this is going to be the ratio. So now we are going to use this ratio to share among Joyce and Richard. So we want to look at Joyce's share. Now Joyce's share is going to be the ratio for Joyce 2 out of the total ratio, and here the total ratio is going to be 3, which is 2 plus 1. And it is going to be multiplying the profit 6,000. So here we are still going to do cancellation. 3 goes into a sub 1 and it goes into 6 2 times. So from here, 2 times 2, we have 4,000. 2 times 2 is 4 and then 1,000. And this answers the first part of the question, Joyce share, or the amount Joyce received. Now, I also talked about Richard share in total. So here we need to know how much Richard is going to receive. So from here, Richard's share is going to be the ratio for Richard, 1 out of the same 3 being the total ratio, multiplying the 6,000. So here we are still going to do some cancellation. 3 goes here 1, 3 goes here 2. 2,000 Ghana cedis. But this was not the total share for Richard, because Richard was the manager and at the end of the day he had this in addition. So if you want to get the amount Richard had in total, then we are going to add the 2,000 as well as the 3,000. So now the total share for Richard is going to be an amount of 3,000 Ghana cedis being the manager's share plus the 2,000 Ghana cedis being his share from his contribution. So here we are just going to put them together to get a total. And 3,000 plus 2,000, what do you think we are going to get? So you are getting 5,000. So 5,000 will be the final answer for Richard share. Thank you very much for joining me for today. We are going to look at the next question in the next video. If you haven't subscribed, please hit on the subscription button, share, like, and comment. If you have any question, you can put it in the comment section. Stay tuned. Shalom. Peace. Bye bye. God bless you.